Welcome to AI Studio Training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to create AI voiceover. Go to the left menu and click on Voiceover. Now you are on Voiceover Creating panel where you can create AI voiceover. Enter your AI voiceover title. Select your language. Choose AI voice-over creator out of the option. You can listen any creator before converting.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts and more.
Hi, I can read any text you type here.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts and more. Insert your text. Select AI voiceover output from the drop-down. Select speaking rate. Click on Generate Voice. After generating the AI voiceover you are redirected on AI voiceover listing page, where you can play your AI voiceover. Voiceover is a production technique where a voice, that is not part of the narrative, is used in a radio, television production, filmmaking, theater, or other presentation. You can download AI voiceover into your device. You can delete the AI voiceover. Thanks for watching the video.